Hi everyone, this is Satyendra this side. Welcomes you in Daily Dose series of Tableau visualization. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the misconcept about Tableau Public. I get a lot of queries from student and the participant in my batches, and they claim that if they don't have full version of Tableau Desktop, they cannot learn Tableau. Let's look into the actual fact. In case you have Tableau Public, what are the things possible and what is not possible in Tableau Public? Let me go ahead and open Tableau Public from my system. Here we go. I have both the versions on my system, Tableau Desktop 2020.1 and Tableau Public. I will open Tableau Public right now. Here we go. And it's open now, right? You can see in Tableau Public, it's a free software provided by Tableau.com. And out of this, you can connect to all file-based systems, which means you can connect to your Excel file, you can connect to your text file, JSON, PDF, spatial data, the statistical file, OData, and if you click on more, you will see some other options like Google Sheet, OData, and Web Data Connector. So you have plenty of options already available in Tableau Public in order to get data in your Tableau so that you can start working on visualization. The only and the biggest difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop would be that you cannot connect server-based systems in Tableau Public, right? The other major difference is whatever you create in Tableau Public, you will not be able to save that on your local system. But still, you can save that on tableaupublic.com or public.tableau.com so that you can share it with other people and you can download it and edit it whenever you want. So let's cover these both the things in this video as we go forward. Let me connect to a file which is based out of Microsoft Excel. I'll click over here and we'll go ahead, select my Tableau repository file, and then we'll select sample superstore. Once we connected, you'll see everything here like orders, your sheets, whatever is there in your database or in the file which you're connecting to. And then rest you can see in your data as soon as you move towards the visualization sheet, right? Rest, whatever you do here, whatever visualization you create here, there is no difference between Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. You can do exactly the same, whichever is possible in Tableau Desktop and the Tableau Public free version of Tableau over here, right? So guys, don't worry if you don't have the full license. You can still learn whatever you want in Tableau. You can practice, you can learn, you can create group, you can create sets, you can create parameters, you can create dashboards and share that with other people using Tableau Public, right? Just a condition would be please don't use any confidential data in Tableau Public so that the data is not compromised once you publish this over tableaupublic.com or public.tableau.com. So you need to be careful with your data while publishing the sheet. Rest apart from that, in terms of learning, if you're a student or if you're a professional, in terms of a learning, there is no limit. You can use Tableau Desktop and or Tableau Public for your learning, right? Now, for this demo purpose, I have already created a visualization which I'm going to use and publish it over Tableau public.com or public.tableau.com. So I'm sorry about that. I generally get confused between public.tableau.com or tableau.com, the public website. So I'll just open this dashboard which I created in 2020, but I'll be open it into Tableau Public right here. So you can see here, this is one of the dashboard which I created in Tableau desktop, but if I need to edit it, I will be able to edit it in Tableau Public anytime. There are no restriction in terms of functionality over here, right? So you can see I have created a sheet selector. Over there are two sheets. Basically, one represents the trend of data and another represents a cross table, which I have given a flexibility to users so that they can switch between these both sheets, right? Now, in terms of other features which are possible in Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. So over here, you can see I can unhide or hide those sheets which I'm utilizing in a dashboard. So all the action filters, all the normal filters, parameters, group sets, they are going to work as it is the way they work in full versions of Tableau Desktop, right? So come out of that limit that if you were thinking that you cannot learn Tableau if you don't have full license version of Tableau Desktop, right? Then now let's talk about the next thing, how to share your creativity or your creation, right? I'll go ahead and click on, let me move this here. Over here, okay, in Tableau Public, you just simply need to click on save, go to file, and over here you get the option save to Tableau Public or save to Tableau Public as. Let's say as means if you want to change the name of your file. Let me just save it as save to Tableau Public. If you're already logged in into tableaupublic.com, it won't ask for the credentials. In case you are not logged in into tableaupublic.com over here, it will ask for the credentials and it will log in you into the Tableau Public website. So as I was already logged in, it has moved my workbook or the dashboard to Tableau Public. You can see exactly the same dashboard which has been deployed over here. Let me tell you guys, this is exactly free. Tableau is providing you exactly free. You can use it until you consume the size of 10 GB. 10 GB size is not small data size or space. You can consume, you can create hundreds of dashboards, still you won't be able to consume the complete given space, right? So that's the one thing which I wanted to talk about here. It will work exactly the same as it works in Tableau server. You can switch between those sheets. If you wish, you can download this dashboard. If you want, you can share it with your friends, colleagues, anybody. If you want, you can download the dashboard as well as you can download the image out of this dashboard in the PDF format, or if it is a PowerPoint or Tableau, exact Tableau workbook, right? Now, going back to the full screen view of this dashboard, you have that flexibility too. You can see that here it shows the complete dashboard in full screen. This is what Tableau Public is. It has huge power. Now, let me talk about the other aspect of Tableau Public. If you just click on my profile, it gives you all the repository, all the artifacts which you have created so far, right? That's second. If you click on gallery, this is going to show you the treasure of tableaupublic.com. When I say treasure, basically there are many things like Makeover Monday or many other initiatives which are running across the community. There are thousands or lakhs of people who are working on Tableau for free. They create their dashboard, they show their creativity and publish those things here. So guys, don't hesitate. You can also show your talent. You can create anything whichever you want in Tableau Public and push it to tableaupublic.com so that the whole world can see your creativity, right? In case if you have any doubt, any question related to Tableau Public software or tableaupublic.com or public.tableau.com, you can drop your comments, your questions on my YouTube channel right here. I'll be happy to answer Till then, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice time. Stay safe.